Right, this is an update on the petrol engine. Got the starter isolator from the digger originally, but the regulator's missing, right? Because unbeknownst to me, I thought it was just a part of the diesel engine that I didn't need, right? So when I changed the key to the digger, the original digger key, inside that switch, it had a little wee capacitor, I think you call it. So it gets the voltage from AC to DC, obviously coming out of these. So as you can see here, for some reason, when I had it hooked up to the battery, it fried this. And it's like, alright. But that wasn't, I mean, they're only 1 amp anyway. They're not exactly a huge charger. This one here gives me about 1.5 per unit, and then that'll get, I've got a regulator coming, capacitor, regulator, whatever it is, and then that's coming. So I'll put those into the charge, and then they'll come out of the charge and then go back to the battery, so it'll keep the battery charged. I mean, the whole thing doesn't draw but all volts anyway, and then just put it on the charger every now and again, and it seems to be okay. So we'll see how we go. But the charge is a hell of a lot better. So to take the flywheel off, it takes 5 minutes. It's not a major anyway. So that's that. Put those double ones on there. Got them from Jono and Jono here in Australia. So they're down in Ballina online. So they're really good. Jono and Jono. But they got all sorts of parts here. So these ones cost about $30 each. You know, they're a Honda knockoff Chinese. But yeah, they're perfect. All right. Any other parts you need? Jono. Should be good. Thank God I didn't find anything else. This looks all good. But yeah. Cool.